how you doing? Good morning. Sorry I've been away for some time, but right now I'm back. I'm loaded. You know what I mean? So today I will be talking about our bad habits. What our bad habits does. You know, there's this level of hatred and bitterness among humans. You just met someone for the first time without even knowing that person. You just dislike him or her. Could be this one safe. Waiting down everything say they do. You see someone progressing, you cannot appreciate. My dear, why can't you just close your eyes and pass? Someone uploaded picture or videos. Why disliking? Just go your way. If you don't like that person, then if you don't like seeing that person, block yourself. Delete yourself. Why are you putting bad comments there? Why are you disliking? Why are you trying to drag the person to the floor? Hatred, bitterness. Pray, not you envying another person. Envy someone else from afar is eating away our strength and belief in ourselves. Most of us, we dey enjoy am. We dey enjoy to dey hate people. We dey enjoy to dey make people feel bad on Instagram, on social media. We dey happy. We like seeing people crying. Or know to you that sometimes your comment can cause someone depression. Your comment can make someone to hate his or herself. But so now just a do one. Whether or not be devil incarnate, I don't know. You see some people will read comments, you know, they will just, in fact, most of your comments has caused broken homes, has caused broken relationship, or because of hatred. You will just forge lie. So they say that even the lie itself, like, it could be real. You think saying a life should they live? Of course it's not. You are killing yourself. You are eating away your ability. You are eating away your strength. Look, envying your friends on social media can actually lead to depression. It's one of the traps that our mind can set for us. He said, or looking at your friend and saying, why do they have all the logs? You can't help but thinking that way, yes. But unknown to us is eating away our strength and the belief that we have on ourselves. Yeah, I just want to make everything short and quick, you know. I'm going to give you 3 kinds of destructive beliefs. 3 kinds of destructive beliefs that can make us less effective and robust of our strength. Number 1 here, it said, unhelped belief about ourselves. We're feeling sorry for ourselves, always emotional, asking ourselves why all these things happening to us. Unknown to us, this feeling keeps us stuck, keep us focusing on our problem instead of finding a way to solve them. Unhealthy belief about ourselves causes depression. It causes us to hate ourselves. It causes us to regret. Why are we even on this earth? You know, always seeing people, you know, you see people succeed, you see people loved, you know. You are asking yourself, why is it that this thing is only happening to them? It's not happening to me. Is it that I am cursed? Unhealthy belief about yourself. It might even be that you are the cause of understands. You are the one who is blocking your way. Unhealthy belief about ourselves. It keeps us stuck. It captivates us. It puts us in bondage. It takes away the brain that could have made us think about our solution. Number two is an unhealthy belief about others. We think that other people can control us. You get? We give away our power and keep control of ourselves to them. To my own understanding here, I would say people can't just control you just like that. People cannot control you, like just come into your life and start controlling you. No, you give them the key. So I would say by doing that, like you give them the ability to be able to control you, because you can't stop comparing yourself to them. You can't stop, you can't stop yourself from imitating them. You want to be like them. You want to copy them. You want to do what they do. So in that case, automatically they can control you. What is good for them might not be good for you. What is good for me might not be good for you. We all have different graces. Me trying to be like you, automatically I'm a slave to you, and you are my boss. You can control me. Do you understand? Why do we allow people to control us? Because you are envious of them. You are jealous of them. You want to be like them. So they are not all that glitters are gold. Who know gold, who know? Because if you know the mystery behind some people's success, some people's things, the way they do things, some people's attitude, some people's achievement, in fact, you will appreciate yourself. You will hate yourself for ever appreciating yourself. You will hate yourself for it. There are stories behind other people that they can tell you. You are only seeing, the smiley side of them. Then 3, unhealthy belief about the world. We believe the world owns us something. We think if we put it enough work, we will be successful. Do not expect too much from the world. Do not expect too much from the world. The world owns you nothing. The world is not seeing you at all. The world owes you absolutely nothing. It's only God. Because you believing that the world owns you a lot, like you want to try, strive, work hard, it will only lead to disappointment. Do not expect too much from the world. They have nothing to give you. The world has nothing to give you. You understand me? The world owns you nothing. The world got its own problem. It got its own problem to solve. So do not expect too much from the world. Do not expect too much from the world. For you to be able to set yourself free in all this, you have to be mentally ready. Because it's not like you can't stand people's success. It bites you. It makes you bitter. You must have to be mentally ready. You must be mentally matured. You must be mentally mature. I'm not judging you, no. I'm not trying to judge anybody here. And for you to be mentally ready, you must practice gratitude. I remember in our previous video, we talked about it, right? It's very important. Celebrate with people. Appreciate people when you see them successful. Support people when they need help. Be a solution, not you being a burden or a problem to others. Learn to do things for people without expecting anything in return. Only then you can enjoy peace of life. Give, forget, look unto God. Because when you give and you are expecting from them, that means you're already telling God, please hold your blessing. I don't need it. So this person will pay me back. Help them. Stop blocking people's way of seeing success. Stop being a problem. Rather be a solution. Stop hating people. Stop disliking people. Stop being envious of someone. It is said that when your friend or your close person is being blessed, automatically God is at your neighborhood. But when you are being envious, that drives the Spirit of God away around you. No, you are killing yourself. You are eating your ability. You are eating your strength. Being envious of someone, it blocks you from seeing solution. You are always stuck on the problem. You cannot see the solution. Change. You go to people's page, commit rubbish, commit nonsense. You don't know that your comments sometimes, it can cost a lot in someone's life. You don't know. You just go there you just think what you imagine, just because you hate somebody, you just start committing rubbish on their page. Someone like is it Tasha, former BB brother something. Tasha, everybody knows her. If Tasha wasn't a strong woman, me, una for don't kill that girl. But she was strong. She was mentally ready. She knew that Nigerians they are all mad. She knew that, in fact, everybody, nobody is normal. Everybody is abnormal. She knew it. She was mentally ready. That was why she was able to stand undefeated. But today, not everybody is loving her. Stop blocking people. Appreciate, celebrate with people, love people. If you don't like people, you don't like seeing people, so block yourself from their page. Leave them alone. If you cannot subscribe to people's channel, you cannot like them, leave them. Stop disliking. Or you will subscribe, you see them unsubscribe. Why? What is the devil worrying you? Why? Not be by force, my dear. Not be by force to like somebody. But you must know that doing all these things to someone, you are the one hurting yourself. You are the one keeping yourself in stock. You can never be what you don't like. People can never celebrate you if you don't celebrate others. People will not love you when you don't give love. You are only envious. You are hating. You are jealous. Why? Do this. You will see how the universe will bless you. You will be successful.